What's going on YouTube? WANYEFILMS back with another vlog. Today is October 1st, 2018, and I do have a photo shoot today. As a matter of fact, it is a newborn photo shoot. Come along with me and I'll show you how it goes.
Buddy. Oh, I know. Kamari, I swear to God, you better not. You're shitting. I know it.
Oh my God. Got it all on camera. Show this soon when he gets older. Alright, so yeah, that's how it went. I did a photo shoot for Haley for her son. Did a newborn shoot. Her son was born on September 18th, 2018, I believe. So I went out to Woonsocket, Rhode Island. You know, we just did a newborn shoot. My first newborn shoot. I plan on doing plenty more. So if you or anybody you know are interested in getting a photo shoot done, whether it be a maternity shoot or newborn like this one right here, you know, just contact me. I'll leave my email down in the description below. Like I said, this was my first shoot for doing a newborn shoot, so I think it came out pretty good for my first time. It was fun. It was a lot of fun, as you can see in the clips. I did try a couple of new angles that I don't normally do, obviously, because it was my first newborn shoot, but I plan on studying more positions and doing different angles and other, you know, compositions and all that. Plus, it's also important to note that you should experiment with lighting. I did have a cheap soft box that I brought with me. One thing I am planning on getting very soon, sooner than later, is the Aperture 120D in the light dome. I mean, everybody's got one nowadays, and I said, why not? And for the price, you really can't beat it. It's like $600. So that's just for the light, and then also like another $150 for the light dome. So I said, why not? You know, it gives off a really good soft light. The soft box that I brought with me that day wasn't what I wanted it to be, but then, you know, as you can see in some of the clips, we did open up the window for, you know, some natural lighting, and I mean, it worked. As you can tell with the photos, it definitely worked. At one point, I did have all the lights on, and I just didn't like that look. I don't like the mixed light. Obviously, it's not good. So I did, at one point, just knock all the lights and just use the available light that was coming through the window, and I think it came out dope. It's pretty much how it went in a nutshell. Like I said, I am planning on doing a lot more. Not only newborn, but like I said, maternity shoots. If you are interested, not only that, but you already know. Like I've been doing weddings. I've been stepping in and learning the wedding side of things. And I mean, I've already learned so much. I mean, I know there's way more to learn, but you know, with time, that's really all it takes is some time, some work, some effort, that grind. But yeah, thank you to Haley for allowing me to come and, you know, do my first newborn shoot with her. It was a lot of fun. Yeah, that's it for now.